Asian mama to a lady named Susana. A light wind whispers through the trees, like secrets meant for only bees. But I have one much sweeter still, a hope my heart can barely feel. Susana, Susana, the kids are hungry, Susana. Oh baby, please come to me, let's get some sukalaki. Get some sukalaki. Her smile a sunrise, warm and bright, chasing shadows from the night. Her eyes like stars, so clear and deep, promises that they gently keep. A flower blooming in the spring, such joy and wonder you bring. My heart so full begins to plead, will you walk with me, plant the seed? Susana, Susana, the kids are hungry, Susana. Oh baby, please come to me, let's get some sukalaki. Get some sukalaki. Susana, come over here. Would you please sit here with me? She says, do you want to marry me? I'm shocked and got up to my feet. I wanna speak to my daddy, my uncle and my mommy. Oh sisters, my old brothers, iamale makoa, igakoa umalava. Susana, 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 the kids are hungry, Susana. Oh baby, please come to me, let's get some sukalaki. Get some sukalaki. Susana, 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 the kids are hungry, Susana. Oh baby, please come to me, let's get some sukalaki. Get some sukalaki. Get some sukalaki.